often hear that social media is the essential piece of your business marketing strategy. But why is social media marketing so important? Why should one invest their time in social media marketing for their business growth? Using social media marketing can help you promote your business, services, or brand on social media platforms. Through this strategic approach, you can build a bridge between your target audience and your services. Undoubtedly, social media marketing plays a crucial role in increasing brand awareness and boosting conversions. Along with the upsides of social media marketing, there come many crucial challenges. Did you know that your HubSpot platform is designed to help with some of the common social media marketing challenges? Not only can HubSpot social media features save your time, but they will also help with your analytics, allow you to turn employees into brand advocates and level up your social media game. Let's explore some of HubSpot's social media features you might be overlooking for a very long time. First, automated scheduling of posts is your social media page proactive. Do you follow a weekly or daily calendar for postings? If not, HubSpot automated scheduling pages feature got you covered. With HubSpot's automated post scheduling feature, you can schedule up to 200 posts on different platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Moreover, a feature called Publish Like a Human will drop your scheduled post within the 10-minute window. It will make your post appear as if a human actually posted it. Second, deep monitoring your account. To prioritize your account's engagement, you can take advantage of this feature. It will help you interact with your followers, view your competitors' activities, and much more. Not to forget, all this is done with the help of a comprehensive dashboard. Third, let your team members post on your behalf. To use this feature, you need to connect your personal social media accounts to HubSpot. This will help the marketing team members to schedule posts on your behalf. It will help in starting new conversations by providing a personalized touch. Fourth, analyze and review your posts, and analyzing and reviewing provides a scope of improvement. Analyze tab in HubSpot will help you keep track of your profile's top posts, the number of clicks, shares, impressions, and more. Fifth, post according to the campaign. When publishing on social media, you must ensure that you associate the post with a specific campaign. This will track your social media efforts and provide you with insights into which posts attracted the most clicks. Sixth, create creative pictures with Canva, a brand new feature. HubSpot Canva integration will save your resources and time. Some of you might not be familiar with Canva. It is an online design platform that is now available on HubSpot as well. Here, you can create artistic and appealing social media images. The preset sizing option in Canva will allow you to upload the images with ease. Before wrapping up, let me tell you an amazing fact. Do you know every second over 15.5 users are joining social media? And I know you cannot afford to lose such a vast target audience. Therefore, having a HubSpot platform will help you keep up with the vast and changing social media landscape. Want to get ultimate guidance for boosting your social media performance? Propel Guru is one-stop solution that can help boost your brand awareness through social media channels and develop new marketing tactics for your business growth.